everyone, I am Rini and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am in my saree. Actually I wore this saree to one of my friends reception, I think in February, and a lot of guys you really liked it and told me you wanted to see a full tutorial on this look, how I do this makeup look, saree, jewelry and all. So basically it's a get ready with me kind of video guys. Now in this video I am getting ready with you. So if you wanted to know how I do this makeup look, saree, jewelry and all, then please continue watching. Okay, first I'm going to moisturize my face. For moisturization I'm going to use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. I'm going to moisturize my skin.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Now I'm going to prime my face. For primer I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now I'm taking only this much of amount and I'm going to apply it around my nose to smoothen out my pores.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Further moisturization, I'm going to use this M.A.C Strobe cream in the shade of Pinklite. Again, I'm taking this much of amount.
All we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wasteland.
Now I'm going to apply foundation on my face. For foundation, I am using this M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade of NC30 and going to blend it with this nice blending brush.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm going to apply concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Applying it under my eyes, little bit around my nose. Now just going to blend it with this blending sponge. Okay, for highlighting my under eyes a little bit, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Just putting it under my eyes to brighten up a little bit. Again, going to blend this with this blending sponge. Before my concealer start creasing, I am going to set it with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Base is done and my face is looking too flat. I am going to give it some depth. For this, I am going to contour my skin with this Benefit Hoola bronzer, putting it on the hollows of my cheekbones. And I'm just connecting with my temple, okay? Just little bit under my jawline. Okay guys, now I am going to apply some blush. For blush, I am using this Colorbar Mattillusion blush in the shade Fallen Lips.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll...
Okay guys, now I am going to fill in my brows. So for this, I am going to use this Faces Canada All Time Pro brow pencil. Now my brow is quite bushy guys, so I am just filling the gaps. Right guys, I am going to set my brows with this e.l.f. brow setting gel. Now I'm going to apply eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. This one is a glitter eyeshadow, guys. Alright, my eyes are done. I'm going to line my lips now. For lip liner, I'm using this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip pencil.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll
Okay guys, for lipstick, I'm going to use this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Raisin Raisin.
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright guys, now I'm going to set my face with this NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Now I'm going to highlight my face. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. This one is the mini one. Look at this. How gorgeous it is. Again, I'm taking it with my brush. Just putting it on the high point of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Just applying a little bit under my brow bones to highlight it. Yep. Okay guys, now my makeup is done and I'm just going to straighten my hair. I'm using this Philippe Kerastine straightener just to straighten my hair.
We chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Okay guys, this is the final result. Okay, now thanks for watching this video, you guys. I really hope you loved watching this video. My first get ready with me kind of video, guys. I'm not an eyeshadow person, guys. I normally use minimal kind of eyeshadow and lipstick is my favorite. Okay, so yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and push the notification bell. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.